Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome to another cleaning motivation video. Yes, I know, 2 in one day. What? But this video is just 5 minutes of real-time cleaning because they say that you can do anything a day for 5 minutes. So if that is the only time that you have, the motivation, the spoons, the energy, the care factor, whatever it may be, they say that if you can just do something for 5 minutes, it's better than nothing. And 5 minutes every day will eventually build up to the big picture. So I put this on TikTok. It did so well. So many people were saying it was really great. They were able to jump up and clean with me. So the same video, it's just from a different angle. And the first 5 minutes is in real time, and then the last 45 seconds is it sped up because I think it's satisfying to see a complete kitchen clean. So let's go and I'll see you at the end. So here's me telling the TikTok camera that that is the end of 5 minutes and asking everyone, how did you go? So I would love to ask you the same. Did you jump up and clean something for 5 minutes along with me? Let me know, and let me know if this was inspirational to you. I have so much cleaning footage and other things that I upload to the channel, and all different lengths. So I hope that whatever you need, I'm able to deliver something on a variety of levels, and it will help motivate you to just do something. So if there's anything that has inspired you today, please do let me know down below, because I've really enjoyed sharing this with you guys. Subscribe if you haven't already. We have lots of videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye.